Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. And in this video, we talk about, in my opinion, the number one way to make money online. Why I say this is because the method I'm about to tell you about is done by so many people, and a lot of people are making 6 and 7 figures from this method every year. All right, so what am I talking about, guys? It's simple. It's affiliate marketing. All right, and you might be thinking, man, come on, man. I know about that. I know about affiliate marketing, but are you doing affiliate marketing? That's the question. Are you doing it? Because most courses that I notice, and I do reviews, I bought hundreds of courses over the last 12 years, and I would say like 80% of them are based around affiliate marketing, right? There's tons and tons of courses and articles and videos all about affiliate marketing. Why? Because it's appealing to most people who just decide like, yo, I want to start making money online, or I want an online business. It's one of the easiest things that you can get started doing. Why? Because you don't have to create the product or the service that you're going to promote, right? And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you promote someone else's product or service. Every sale that you generate, you get a cut, you get a commission. That's all affiliate marketing is. And it's just easy to get into because in most cases you can just find whatever you want to promote, whatever you want to sell, sign up to that company, right? Get you an affiliate link. You either want to go to Bitly and use a link shortener so it don't look so long and ugly, because a lot of affiliate links look like crap. They're like this long and they're just full of numbers and letters and whatever. Those suck when you want to post them on, social media or, business cards. It's terrible. So what a lot of people do, they go to Bitly, or they buy a domain, which I always recommend people do. Buy a domain name for whatever business or service you're trying to promote, and you do a domain forward. All that is doing is basically you're taking that long affiliate link, you're connecting it to a domain name. So and all you be posting is that domain name. Anytime somebody click on that domain name or type in that domain name, it automatically takes them to that long, ugly affiliate link that they really won't notice. All right, so that's all you really need to do to get started. Sign up with a program, and then get your affiliate link and start promoting it however you want to promote it. You can literally get business cards, flyers. They still work to this day, but mainly you want to kind of go online. Most affiliate marketers make the chunk of their money online, right? So there's tons of ways to do it, but it's very, very little overhead with affiliate marketing, because you can literally, which people do it, and that's kind of a bad thing, because just as easy as it is to start affiliate marketing, it's just as easy to quit, because literally you could just be like, all right, I'm just not promoting that business no more. I'm just not gonna post that link no more, whatever, and keep it moving, right? But there's no real overhead, like when it comes to promoting your link. If you want to do it organically and just start doing it free, you know what I mean, you can do paid traffic via Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Yes, you can do that, but you need to get a little budget and kind of know what you're doing. But you don't need that. You do not need that to start making money with affiliate marketing, guys. And if you really find the products that you want, that you feel passionate about, right, you can really make a lot of money and turn it into a home business that can bring you recurring income, passive income every month, every year. All right, so one program that you can check out, and I've been recommending for several years now, if you're serious about getting into affiliate marketing and making it like an online business for you, check out the Wealthy Affiliate. All right, it's a link in the description. Check it out. It's a community where it teaches you everything about affiliate marketing. Everything, right? Anything you want to know. The cool thing is it is absolutely free to join Wealthy Affiliate, but keep it real, They give you enough to get started, enough to get you going with making money with affiliate marketing. But you'll get to a certain point where you're going to want to upgrade to their membership, which is a monthly membership. But if you're serious about it, affiliate marketing, and you started making a little bit of money, or you feel like you can make money with it, then paying that fee is really nothing to you, because it'll be well worth it. Plus, if you look at what I said before, starting a home business and everything like that, being an affiliate marketer could be a home business, which can be many tax write-offs for you. All right, so you can check that out in the link in the description as well. The first link, you can find out how that $50, $49 a month wealthy affiliate fee, that could be a tax write-off for you. All right, so you just gotta know what to do. You know what I mean? And that's what this video is about. Pointing you in the right direction. All right, so if you're interested in the wealthy affiliate, link below, you can check that out, get started with it, and just you'll see the earning potential is crazy when it comes to affiliate marketing. All right, so hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, you already know, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next